Ethan Parker, trapped in his soul-sucking 9-to-5, felt like a ghost of his former self until a podcast ignited a spark. Fueled by grit and determination, he transformed his life, proving that hard work and resilience can turn even the darkest struggles into triumphs. At 25, he felt trapped in a monotonous 9-to-5 job at a marketing firm in a bustling city. Each day was a battle against the clock, and every evening, he returned home feeling like a ghost of the person he once aspired to be. The struggle. Ethan had dreams, big ones. He envisioned himself working in a creative field, making an impact and waking up excited for each day. Instead, he found himself buried under piles of reports and endless meetings, longing for something more. The weight of student loans and bills loomed over him like a dark cloud, stifling his ambitions. His colleagues seemed to thrive in the corporate grind, climbing the ladder with ease, while he felt like he was sinking in quicksand. Each time he scrolled through social media, he was bombarded with images of friends traveling, starting businesses, and living their best lives. A pang of envy twisted in his gut, amplifying his sense of inadequacy. The turning point. One rainy evening, as Ethan sat in his small apartment, he stumbled upon a podcast featuring a successful entrepreneur who had faced similar struggles. The guest spoke passionately about embracing hard work and the importance of resilience in the face of adversity. "You have to be willing to put in the hours," he said, "and sometimes that means sacrificing comfort for growth." Ethan felt a flicker of hope ignite within him. Could he change his narrative? That night, he made a decision. He would no longer be a passive observer in his life. He would embrace hard work and take control of his future. The journey begins. With newfound determination, Ethan enrolled in an online course on digital marketing, a field that had always fascinated him. He created a schedule, dedicating his evenings and weekends to learning. The first few weeks were grueling. After long days at the office, he would come home exhausted, but he pushed through, fueled by the vision of a better life. He faced moments of doubt, times when he felt overwhelmed by the material or discouraged by the slow progress. But each time he thought of giving up, he remembered the entrepreneur's words. He began to see his struggles as stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. The breakthrough. Months passed, and Ethan's hard work began to bear fruit. He completed the course and even landed a small freelance project, helping a local business with its online presence. The thrill of applying his skills in a real-world scenario was exhilarating. As he poured his heart into the project, he felt a sense of purpose he hadn't experienced in years. The late nights and early mornings transformed from burdens into opportunities for growth. When the project was completed, the business owner praised his work, and Ethan felt a surge of pride. This was just the beginning. The climb. Each conversation fueled his passion, and he learned from others' experiences. He embraced the hustle, understanding that success was not just about talent, but about relentless dedication. His efforts did not go unnoticed at his day job. His manager, impressed by his initiative, offered him a chance to lead a digital marketing campaign for a high-profile client. This was Ethan's moment to shine. He poured everything he had into the project, working tirelessly to ensure its success. The triumph. The campaign launched to rave reviews, and Ethan's hard work culminated in a promotion. As he stood in front of his colleagues, sharing the success of the project, he felt an overwhelming sense of gratitude. He had transformed his life through hard work, resilience, and an unwavering belief in himself. Conclusion. The power of hard work. Ethan's journey from a disenchanted office worker to a thriving digital marketing professional is a testament to the power of embracing hard work. He learned that the path to success is rarely linear and that every setback is an opportunity for growth. In the end, Ethan discovered that hard work is not just about the hours you put in. It's about the heart you invest in your dreams. His story serves as a reminder that with determination and resilience, anyone can rewrite their narrative and turn their struggles into triumphs.